All right, we have some exclusive images of Prime Minister Narendra Modi as he watches very keenly the Surya Tilak right after his rally on his laptop. Ram Lalla's big Surya Namaskar, ray of the sun on Lord Ram's forehead. The Prime Minister there, with all his devotion, manages to catch a glimpse of this wonder on his laptop. And we see that iPad, it appears, where he's seated and watching that very keenly. In fact, the Prime Minister watching the Surya Tilak right after his rally. He wasn't able to be present in person, as we see that he's campaigning hectically. Phase 1 begins in barely 2 days. And as the Prime Minister is on the campaign trail, he sits for a moment and takes time out to watch the Surya Tilak of Lord Ram on his iPad. We're seeing the Surya Tilak ceremony that happened in Ayodhya. Let me quickly cut across to Paulami Saha joining us on the phone line for more on that. Paulami, the Prime Minister watching very keenly the Surya Namaskar, Surya Tilak ceremony that happened a little earlier of Lord Ram. He hasn't missed it. Got a glimpse of it on laptop, on that iPad that he's watching. Where is he watching it from? Give us more about the kind of devotion that the Prime Minister has. He's, of course, established the Ram Mandir. That was one of the BJP's poll campaigns as well, extensively have endorsed the Ram Mandir coming into place in Ayodhya, and this was the next step, the Surya Tilak ceremony, which we know has really filled the devotees with much joy. Today was on the occasion of Ram Navami. This was certainly wonderful to watch.
That's right. Those are images, of course, of the Prime Minister when he had finished with his rally, his public meeting in Nalbari in Assam earlier this morning. He's headed to Agartala in Tripura for his second rally of the day. He caught that time, in fact, of the journey to catch the visuals of that Surya Tilak, the Surya Abhishek that happened earlier in the afternoon while he was on the campaign trail. So at that moment itself, he did not have the opportunity to catch it live. So later, of course, as he was traveling, he, of course, caught that moment on his iPad. It was a visual that he, of course, cherished. And, tweeting about it, he said that after my Nalbari rally, I watched the Surya Tilak on Ram Lalla like crores of Indians. This is a very emotional moment for me. The grand Ram Navami in Ayodhya is historic. May this Surya Tilak bring energy to our lives and may it inspire our nation to scale new heights of glory. So for him, of course, as you see him, watching that video, you can see that he is, of course, emotional as he watches that video of the Surya Tilak that happened earlier this afternoon, a little past 12 in the noon, while, of course, the Prime Minister was campaigning in Nalbari. In Nalbari, of course, it almost coincided when he began his speech, the moment of the Surya Tilak, and he started his speech with Jai Shri Ram as well. He, of course, earlier this morning, when he greeted the nation on the occasion of Ram Navami, he did say that this is a very historic day and it is a momentous occasion, something which has, been in the while coming, and it has been some 500 years for which people across the nation, especially in the Hindu community, have waited. He said that this was a generational milestone, weaving together centuries of devotion with a new era of hope and progress. And this is a day crores of Indians waited for. Innumerable people devoted their lives to this sacred cause. So for this, of course, the Prime Minister greeted the nation and, of course, caught that moment later as he was traveling from Nalbari and Assam to Tripura in Agartala for his second campaign of the day, his second public meeting of the day.
Yeah. Pallavi, as we see the Prime Minister taking time out to watch that ceremony, that auspicious occasion. In fact, it's Ram Navami today, so it's very well timed. The Surya Tilak itself was ensured by nearly 10 scientists who were present in Ayodhya and ensured that this happened, and very meticulously. How far was the Prime Minister himself involved in making sure that this happened so perfectly today?
Well, as far as the Prime Minister is concerned, he, of course, has been busy with his election campaigning and strategizing for the Bharatiya Janata Party. So this was, of course, a moment which was made possible by the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Trust itself, the Teerth Kshetra, which has, of course, been entrusted with the responsibility of taking care of the Ram Mandir, the Ram Temple, organizing various functions. And this, of course, was the first big event since the Pran Pratishtha on the 22nd of January earlier this year, which the Prime Minister, of course, was present for. He performed the consecration ceremony, and since then the Tirth Kshetra has been making sure that, every one of those devotees who are thronging to the temple town of Ayodhya has the opportunity of seeing the Ram Lalla idol, the blessed idol, which they have been waiting to see. And today, of course, was the first big occasion, if you may, as far as the Hindu calendar was concerned, where, of course, the Ram Temple was involved. And this is where Ram Navami was for the first time held at exactly the birthplace of Lord Ram at the Ram Temple, which has now been built. And this was, of course, like you said, IITians were involved in making this moment rituality.
Right. Well, lovely to see the Prime Minister catching that ceremony, Surya Tilak of Lord Ram today on his tablet while he was part of the campaign trail. Thanks very much, Paul Mead, for joining us on that.